What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for tuning in. Today we're going to be recapping the trades on the day, and unfortunately, we are red. We are red about $3,000 on the day, just a little over $3,000. It's unfortunate, I know. It does suck. I went too aggressive on a play, hindsight 2020. Probably shouldn't have went so aggressive on, which resulted in a big loss. Didn't stay patient enough today, etc., etc., etc. Really no revenge trading or anything like that. Just really, one big bad trade to knock me off the horse. So anyways, we'll start here with JBL. Would have been a great day if I would have got filled correctly on JBL, but anyways, you'll see that I tried to go short on JBL earlier this morning. Hold on, the trades aren't coming up yet. So I tried to go short like 1,500 shares here. They wouldn't fill me. Eventually, I'm like, all right, let me try to reduce my size. So then I go 200 shares. Still takes a while to get filled on 200 shares. And eventually, I make $70 and take it off. So pretty straightforward. Earnings gap up, short. Pretty straightforward there. Just couldn't get filled the amount of shares I wanted to with the way the spread was working, the way the market makers were playing the stock. So I ended up taking just a small win of about $70 on that. All right, on to the next one, which is AMD. All right, so AMD, earlier this morning, I tried to do basically just a small double bottom scalp bounce right here. I bought in here for a double bottom scalp bounce, anticipating just a small little bounce back up after we had this really big down drop. Of course, we buy it. Doesn't work. I stop out for a loss of about $184. Okay, not bad. So at this point, I'm down like $100 on the day. Okay. And then I decide to be a complete jackass, and I trade ADMS. Now, what I traded hindsight 2020, you'd look at and go, okay, probably shouldn't have done that. Got a little aggressive, saw the big green P&L flash in my eyes, and I went heavy and tried to make a win. So you'll obviously see me lose a shit ton of money here. But there's also a really good takeaway learning lesson. So you will learn that too as well. Here it is, $2,900, 7,500 shares, smack. So pretty much we have this stock, it gets halted, comes down, and then it opens up, gaps down. A lot of times we'll see this gap get filled. So I'm like, okay. It's going down. We're starting to get bought up, and we're starting to press over the VWAP. So then I start hammering in shares like an idiot. And so I end up buying up 7,500 shares on this top red candle. Pushes up, I'm up a couple $100, and then it drops down. I'm down like 1,000, and then, held it about as long as I could before I knew I'd most likely be wrong. And I'm closing out on this candle as we kind of get pushed into some slippage, and I lose $2,900. But pretty much, it's straightforward. Stock halts, gaps down, look to play a 1-minute gap fill play. Big size. If it would have gap filled all the way up, I'm looking at a $7,000 trade, $8,000 trade, right? Wrong, goes down, I lose about half of that. So in terms of risk management, yeah, gap fill all the way up here, $7,000, $8,000 trade. Pulled it off, minus 3,000. So 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio in that particular sense. So I did okay in terms of risk to reward, but setup just wasn't there. Even looking back, hindsight 2020, and even during the trade, I could look at this volume, right? Once we bought up here and then had this big red sell volume candle, then go here, I shouldn't have been buying it. The selling volume was just crushing the buying volume by a mile, and I still tried to attempt buying in long on it. So, this was just an all-around really bad trade, and I deserved to lose $2,900. So it's not like, you played something and it didn't work out. It was like, no, you jumped the gun on a trade trying to make big money on something you shouldn't have been trading. Not that the gap fill play isn't something that does work. It's just the wrong timing, wrong setup, not enough volume in your favor of the trade. And so, yeah, today, you lose $2,900. I deserve to lose. So I am proud to lose that money because I deserve to lose it. It was poor trading. So the $2,000 I won yesterday now gets taken back, and I go negative, $900 on the week. So we're going to be down $900 on the week, or about $1,000 or something like that on the week. So it's unfortunate. It is what it is. So there goes the green streak. It's not like I'm sitting here revenge trading trying to keep the green streak. No, I just took a trade and got smoked, and is what it is. So that's all we got for you guys today. So there is the day, down just over $3,000. So hopefully everybody has good rest of your trading day and does far better than me, but it is what it is. There you guys go. I will see you guys on the next video. Everybody, take care.